Hello there, and today I'm here with a video about the Kiss Dip Kit. So this is a really good alternative for doing your nails because going to the salon takes a long time, it costs a lot of money, and this is super cheap, super easy to do. Literally the steps are right there and that's it. So this is everything you get. You get your adhesive, you get your powder, and this is the activator for the powder. You get an extra wand for your gel, and then those are your tips. You get quite a few of them, so at least you'll be able to do at least 2 sets. And I really highly recommend this, especially with like electric file, because it works so well. And when I did my nails with these, it lasted like 2 weeks, maybe a week and a half, but still lasted quite a while. And it's like so much cheaper than getting your nails done. Like, oh my god, like a fraction. But yeah, I highly recommend, and thank you so much for watching.